I'm First Lieutenant Daniel Comito. I am the 2nd Platoon Commander for Alpha Company, 9th Engineering Support Battalion stationed in Okinawa, Japan. I'm currently the OIC for the construction site here at Malobago Elementary School in the Albay Province of the Republic of the Philippines. Well, we've been working shoulder to shoulder with the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Army Engineers, 565th Engineering Construction Battalion this whole time. U.S. Marines working side by side with the AFP and really interacting a lot. We're learning from them, they're learning from us, so it's a really good experience. We're going to be constructing one school building. It's going to include one classroom and a small kitchen for the use of the barangay of Malobago. Installing a water catchment system, so a system of gutters that's going to feed into a water tank so that they'll have water throughout the dry season.
Captain Paler, the project officer of this school building. The camaraderie of our U.S.